Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you the rest part of NCERT history book for 6th class. The name of the lesson is What, Where, How and When, and the topic we are to discuss, that is the importance of geography in history. The physical features of a country have always affected the history. India is a vast country with different geographical features which have affected the way people lived in the past. To understand the geographical divisions of India, we need to classify them into the following regions. 1. The Great Himalayas. 2. The Gangetic Plains. 3. The Vindhyas of Central India. 4. The Deccan. The Great Himalayas. The Great Himalayas in the north and northeast provide a barrier to the harsh climates and invasions. It has mountain passes through which men have traveled in search of livelihood or to escape natural disasters. The Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills of Meghalaya are an extension of the Himalayan range. Next, the Gangetic Plains. It is one of the most fertile areas supporting a large population of India. The Ganga, Yamuna and their tributaries provide water for irrigation for the vast plains. 3. The Vindhyas of Central India. The Vindhya range provides the subcontinent into northern India and southern India, while the northern slope is drained by the tributaries of the Ganga. The southern slope is drained by the Narmada river. Next, the Deccan. Agriculture was first developed in the Deccan. Deccan is known for its unique culture and tradition known as the Dravidian culture. It is also known for megaliths, magnificent temples and Sangam literature. People lived near the bank of the rivers because of availability of water and fertile soil. Rivers provided water for irrigation, drinking, washing, fishing and navigation by boats. An example is the Narmada Valley of Madhya Pradesh. The first people to grow crops were people of Suleiman and Kirthar hills in the northwest. Students, here one very important topic is emerging, that is the Indus Valley, and this topic has its very important place in the history, and it's very useful for the students preparing for competition exams. The Indus Valley. It has here that the great Harappa civilization flourished along the river Sindhu or Indus. Sindhu is the Sanskrit word for the river Indus. The cities were built of bricks and stones. The wells, water storage system and the drainage system were one of the most well planned in the ancient world. The people of the Indus Valley made jewelry and toys for their children. They also developed a system of weights and measures.